Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another surprise giveaway video where we have a wonderful exe file for you which can do a wonderful thing. Like in the previous video we have shown that how you can match the opening balances in one click and also post them to Tally. Today we are taking it one step forward. We will match in similar fashion the opening stock for two different tallies, which means that when we are splitting the tally in two different parts, then the stock may mismatch. So we will do similar thing on the stock where we will find the differences between the opening and the closing balances and also post them to tally. So how we will start? Very simple. First we will switch on the tally and we must run it in administrator mode. Yes, and then we will switch on our application. We have two data here. I'll show you that the stock is matching and then we will deliberately create some differences and check if our software can find them. Okay, so we will run our tally, continue in educational mode, and we will select our data 23 24. One more thing that we need to do is run the connectivity ODBC. Okay, we go to settings, connectivity, and simply yes. Okay, our software is ready and just we need to open the data now. So we'll run in the educational mode and specify the path. Okay, so first I will show you 23 24, and as soon as I open the stock F5, you can see 1,46,880.00 kg. Okay, now I will show you the second tally, which 24 25 will be the opening balance. So we will simply switch on the opening and close, and you can see 146,880 for 24 25. So the stock is 100% matching item by item. Now what we will do is create some differences. Okay, choosing the 24 25 and maybe this 348, I will simply make it 1. Okay, yes, and then this is the opening balance of 24 25. Okay, similarly in the next 371 kg I will simply remove it. Okay, done. Now we'll do some changes in the opening tally. Shut 24 25, and now we have 23 24, and we shall see what's going on. And suppose these items we have already choose, so we will choose this. Let me check one item where there is no transaction. Okay, yeah, this will be good. So I will simply just remove all the invoices and everything, so we'll make it the balance 0. Okay, so that we can come to know that in our closing tally, in the old tally, if it is 0, then definitely in the opening tally it should come as 0. Similarly, if there is something in the new tally with 0, it should take the balance of the old tally. Okay, and now what we will do is make this 0. Okay, so now this general color legend is 0. Now our operation starts. So simple interface, very simple. OB stock comparison and fetch data like the previous one. We'll simply please load old tally instance. We have the old tally. Okay, please load new tally F3, select, and we will load the new tally and press OK. It is telling something. Okay, just telling that the Excel files have been saved. Okay, and now we will check. You can see many things are there. Okay, clean data in this. I purposefully downloaded the correct data as it is and then clean the data so that we can know the differences if anybody wants to check. Then we will simply press on compare data. Now let's check the balance comparison file is there. Okay, so these are the differences. Okay, one stock we have done at one value. Yes, it was old tally 348. Similarly, we have done 10 which was 7732, and in the old tally you can see we have done some value 0 which is 598, and some changes other because we have deleted some items also. Okay, in the stock name mismatch I have not done anything, but if there are mismatches in the name of the stock, it will come here. Okay, so we'll close this, save. Okay, there was nothing to save as such, and now we will simply place on import. Before that, Once again we will check that item, suppose stock and F5. You can see this is 1. Okay, BSPL color ready. And as soon as I click on import stock balances import, okay, it is showing 1, but if we simply change it, you can see 348. So all the balances, similarly we can check the other balances also, which was 0. Okay, this we have done 0, but it will now change to 7732. Stock F5 F12 opening. Okay, and now we can see that 7732, right? So that's the beauty of this application, that you don't have to waste time on matching the balances. After your balance sheet and everything is finalized, you just have to click 2-3 buttons and everything will be done in its place. That's the magic of using AI at work. And if still you are not using AI at work, I have no words for you. Please start using AI wherever, whenever, however you can. Okay, that's all for this video. Once again I will say that the link and everything to download the application is in the description. Those who want the Python scripts, they can comment out their mail ID and we will email them the Python scripts. Okay, plus any other thing that you have problem with the software, you find that something may be wrong, I don't know, if we have not tried so much with the data available, we have tried, so some new problem may arise and you can comment out and I will keep checking the comments. Okay, that's all for this video friends. I hope you got some value out of it. Do use this application and let me know how much do you find it useful, or you need any changes, anything. That's all. And also let me know in the comments what are your views. Any other application you want, please write in the comments. I am always there. That's all for this video friends. See you in the next video.